Hello children, today I am going to explain you the last topic of the chapter, that is how to calculate the valency from the formula with the help of the fact that valency of hydrogen is 1, oxygen 2 and chlorine 1. So there are 4 steps for writing this. Number 1, write the given formula. Number 2, interchange the subscript and write as superscript. Number 3, multiply both the superscript by 2 in the case of oxide, by 1 in the case of hydrogen and by 1 in the case of chlorine. Now last step, the result gives us the valency of the element. Now example, with the help of example I want to tell you. Example is given formula is NO2, nitrogen dioxide. So it is a case of oxide. So what we will do, according to first step we have to write the formula. According to second step we have to write the valency, interchange the valency and write as a superscript. First it has given it as a subscript, so in the second step we have to interchange it and write as a superscript. Now because we have to consider the fact that the valency of oxygen is 2, so we will multiply both the element by 2 which has given in the superscript. So when you will multiply nitrogen 2 into 2, oxygen 1 into 2, it will be N4O2. That means you will understand the valency of nitrogen is 4 and oxygen is 2 in the formula NO2. Now the another example I want to tell you, that is given formula is NO, nitric oxide. So first step means write the formula. Second step, write the given valency as a superscript. So there is no valency, that means 1. So you can write N1O1. Now consideration, because it is a case of oxide, so we will multiply, as you know that oxygen valency is 2. So we will multiply both the superscript by 2. So 1 into 2 and 1 into 2. So it will be N2O2. So now you will get that valency of nitrogen in NO is 2 and oxygen is also 2. Hope you understand. Now another topic is empirical formula, which I have told in my previous module, and I want to tell you again because I want to explain you more. What is the empirical formula of the compound? Actually it is the simplest formula, simplest form of the formula. You can say it indicates simple ratio of the atom of the different element present in the one molecule of the compound. It is a simple ratio of the different atom of the different element present in the one molecule of the compound. For example, benzene. Benzene formula is C6H6, and when you will get this simple ratio in whole number, it will be 1:, you will get it is 1:1. That means CH. Okay. Same in the case of acetic acid, formula is CH3COOH. Now you have to write like C2H4O2 because 2 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom and 4 hydrogen atom. And when you will get the simple ratio, it is 1:2:1. So you can write CH2O. Okay. Now this is a simple ratio. This is the empirical formula of acetic acid, that is CH2O, and empirical formula of benzene is CHOA. Now empirical formula mass. It is the sum of the atomic masses of the various elements present in the empirical formula. What is this? It is a sum of the various elements present in the empirical formula. It is sum of the atomic masses of the various elements present in the empirical formula. Now in case of benzene, empirical formula is CH, so it will be 12 plus 1, 13. In the case of acetic acid, formula is CH2O, means 1 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So when you will add, it will be 30. So in this way you can find that empirical formula mass of acetic acid is 30 and benzene is 30. So hope you understand. This is the last part of the chapter and I am giving you assignment sheet to solve it. And now to the next time I will start the next chapter, that is chemical reaction. That's all for today. Hope you understand. Bye bye.